Hello everybody, it's me, Salty, from Hypixel Studios, and in today's video, I'm going to be showing you how you can make your very own simple cookie clicker game on Scratch. So if you enjoyed today's video, consider leaving a like and subscribe. And anyways, let's get right into it. So for today's video, what we're going to need is a cookie sprite, which is just a really simple cookie drawn at the center of the screen, and it's basically 80 by 80 in the size. Now in the background, we just need a really simple little background and some hills, as you can see like that. Now what we're also going to need for the future episodes is a CPC counter and a CPS. Now what's CPC, you may ask? Now CPC is cookies per click. So this is the amount of cookies you're going to get every single time you click it. And CPS is the amount of cookies you're going to get every single second automatically. And we're going to add those updates in the next video. So now what we're going to need to do is go into cookie and let's start coding. The first thing that we're going to need to do is drag out a when green flag is clicked. Then we can just say set cookies to 0, set CPC to 1, and set CPS to 0. Now we want to grab out a forever loop and a go to position. Now we can grab out a if statement and say if touching mouse pointer, and duplicate this and remove this and say mouse down. Then we want to change our cookies by our CPC, which is the amount of cookies we gain per click. And we can set our size to 110%. Then we just want to wait until not mouse is down. So that's basically it for this script, but what we also want to do is add some polish. Now to make this, we want to actually make our cookie here move up and down the screen slowly, so it has a really nice gliding effect. So how do we do this? Well, what you want to do is grab out this multiplication block and put in this slot 5. Then we want to grab out the cos of and put it there. Then another multiplication block, and then finally a minus block. So we have this, but in here what we want to say is timer minus 3 multiplied by about 350. Now we have this, and let's pop it right down there, and as you can see, when we click the green flag, it moves up and down the screen really slowly. Now make sure that you know that it uses the timer block. So if you're using the timer for something like an FPS counter, then this is not going to work, because in the FPS counter, we reset the timer every single frame. So now we have this. What we want to do is grab out another when green flag is clicked and a forever loop and duplicate it. Now in this one, what we want to say is change cookies by our CPS. And wait 1 second, because what this will do is change our cookies by our cookies per second, which is going to be an upgrade that we're going to add in the next video. Now to add a little bit more polish to our game, we're going to actually change our size whenever we have it there, and then when we click on it, it's going to gradually make a really satisfying effect. So you want to grab out a division symbol and a minus and do 100 minus size divided by 3.5. Now that's basically it. So if you click on this, if we go into full screen mode, as you can see, there's a really nice satisfying effect on our cookie. So this is really great as it keeps the player involved, and it's really interesting to look at. So that's about it for today's video. In today's video, we added a really simple counter that keeps account of the amount of cookies we get per second. Next video of this series, we're going to add more updates to the game, like being able to add boosters and upgrades. So if you enjoyed the video, consider leaving a like and subscribe so you'll never miss out on future content like this on my channel. So thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next one. Bye!